This car was pulled over for a seatbelt violation. But the moment the officer noticed something suspicious inside, everything changed. Like and subscribe for more.
Look in here, Shane.
This is what he kept coming back.
Look right here. Oh, I got it. Look this way and then over. Look, it's all cut out. It's not normal.
You said what?
See it? There's two over here too.
Definitely.
It's a kilo.
Definitely.
Right?
Definitely.
Grab, sir, can you grab me my phone? I want to take a photo, please.
No, I got a phone.
Okay. No, I don't need it. I'm going to rip it right off. This is all, so dude, I get up to the car. Yeah, I'm on, which is fine. I want it, it's fine. So I see it ajar. So I lick it up and I was like, that's not normal. He's got the weed right here to mask the odor of drugs. He's got the air blasting.
I'll get a camera out.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. You got a multi-tool? It's got like chicken wire, like
Metal.
Let me see what you're looking at.
Right there.
yeah, hop right in, son. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 5 right now. And I just need to cut this. There we go. Okay. Get gloves on.
She's his girlfriend?
I don't know. She pulled up. I got it. Okay, can you hold that like that?
I got it. I'm just trying to grab these. We'll just leave them in there. Well, actually, you already got a picture of them? Want to get another phone?
Yeah, I got some. We just need to see.
My hands are small.
Yeah, not because it's getting in the way.
No, right there. Give me one good pull back now.
Oh, baby.
One more hang.
Yeah. All right, I got it. All right, what's your hand? I have one. All right, move that. Look out, move that. Oh, yeah. I think I just broke your multi-tool.
I don't care.
It's worth it.
Yeah.
Just leave them all right here for now.
I need to assist that.
Yeah. That could be anything. Could be crack coke. Oh my goodness gracious. This is insane.
5, 4?
Oh, man. They coming. Keep coming, baby. Keep coming. Holy.
Hang on. Can I see a flashlight, bro? Please?
Call who? Alright, this whole fender's got it, because this whole fender's loaded.
Yeah, you gotta clean it out.
This whole fender's loaded, I think.
We gotta call narcotics.
Hold on, let me do my thing before we get down south, please. This has nothing to do with them at the moment.
Alright. But eventually.
I agree, eventually. Just give me a little bit of time here. I can't see. Hurry.
I'm gonna have Justin put him in handcuffs right now.
I want to do that. Give me a second.
That's what I mean.
I don't know. Alright, your hands behind your back. You're under arrest, okay?
Anyway, you can lose me a little bit.
Yeah, I told you I'm gonna be cool with you as long as you're cool with me, and that's how handcuffs fit. They fit it too perfectly. I can stick my finger in there. You're okay. Thank you. 122. One in custody. Hey, Justin. Yep. Can you come over here? I'm gonna hold the flashlight. You stick your head in there. See if there's some more down there. I can't see. Down there. Can you tell?
That compartment?
You're better off popping the full quarter right off.
Yeah, you see it dives down, but you can't see it anymore. Yeah, right.
Oh yeah, there's more.
You want to go down to my location headquarters starting here? How about take this whole tray?
There you go. It's probably all clips now.
I'm taking it out.
This. Oh, I got more. Hold on.
I'm gonna try to reach my hand in there. I got long arms.
Yep, that's right. Here you go.
I wonder how deep that compartment is.
This is crazy. This is crazy, bro. I think I got them all. It goes way down.
Yeah, if I dive down to like
Yeah, try, hold on, let me out.
You want that? I bet you. You're better off looking the whole time.
Oh, this car's now it's fine, yeah.
You know what I mean? It's all back here.
Peter King, 477.